What's happening, everybody? I'm real nervous about this. This is my first time really doing this. I don't know what this is going to turn into, but hopefully, I want to do like a little grilling tutorial because like I love. God damn. Camera fell down when I went to go put the grill up. But basically, I'm just grilling like a little something, something, And like I've been getting like suggestions from my friends and all saying that I should start really like my own YouTube channel about grilling. So I'm like they right. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start doing a little something, something, because grilling is one of my passions. And hopefully, if somebody real famous picks up on this, I can get my own little thing, a little something, something to do, to just doing it right. You know what I mean? But let me show you what I'm operating, what my seasons are right now. I got the brown sugar bourbon because it is a little sweet. The ham and glazed bacon rub, country style pepper. The mesquite, and I have the smoky mesquite seasoning, and the twisted Q, cookie cane, and maple pig cooking season. Now I'm just grilling like a little pork chops and all, so just a little something, something, you know what I mean? And hopefully I can get this to like really like turn into something, because everybody making bank off of YouTube now. I got friends and buddies of mine. They got their own little YouTube and all that shit. So you know what I mean. So I have back cuss problems. So excuse me, y'all. But my girl neighbor says, "Why smoke weed when you smoke me?" It's one of my it's a running joke of mine. Me and my buddies now. Like I have a smoker in the background. That over there, and cause like I got that smoking like senior high school. So I was like, yeah, why smoke weed when you can smoke me? I mean, you can do anything now, cause like, world is yours. More power to y'all. If y'all got the money to do it, congrats, y'all. It's kind of weird, you know what I mean? I'm sorry, I'm still trying to get used. Like, I really want to go bank off YouTube and all, so it's really my passion, just cooking and all, y'all. So hopefully I can be like more seasonings, like show y'all seasoning recipes. Um, just like cooking, cause like I really like cooking anything. I love cooking steak, pork chop, chicken. Hell, I might even do some fish cooking tutorials, y'all. Like you never know, honestly. So like, if y'all like if y'all like to see if y'all want to see what I can do, just click that subscriber button. Just let me know if y'all like it or not, man. Because honestly, not a lot of people, not a lot of people actually know how to cook their own selves. And that's honestly kind of a shame right there. Because everybody needs to learn how to cook. So when they get by themselves, or when they want to like impress a loved one or somebody, your little partner in crime. You want to collaborate on a relationship or something. Just gotta do what you gotta do. Just grab a grill and I'm sorry, I'm still kind of getting nervous, but yeah. So there's that.